Watching the YM again. No, price cannot push indefinitely. So we do have, it actually did open just above. So I bought that YM. It's kind of zoomed out because it's moved so far that it's kind of hard to see. So that's the way the charts work when they get zoomed out. See if this support holds. All right, +5. So while we're waiting, let's take a quick look at this. You'll notice how price is just continuing to drop and drop and drop. Have a couple little pauses in it, and then drop, and another little pause, and then another drop. Notice the momentum though. We're still seeing some strong momentum dropping into this support. We got, and that's this lighter gray color. You can see it goes from black to medium gray, light gray, and eventually it'll be white. The lighter the color, the more likely the pullback is approaching because of the exhaustion. So we want to measure momentum because we know momentum cannot be sustained. So that's why we measure it. Then we get the oversold condition along with the momentum, a strong sudden push into the line with a lot of orders going through. That's the speed tick. We slam into these support lines that hadn't been touched, so we know they're good and strong. Or we don't know, but we sure suspect that they're good and strong because they haven't been touched at all during this trading session. I know that without even looking at the numbers, because how could it have been if this is the low of the day, right? So price is hitting uncharted territory, slams into these lines. People start waiting to see what's going to happen here because of they also see this support. This opened just slightly above this line. That's where I put in my order. I bought it, got my 5 ticks, done, out, and now we had the pullback. This is our sweet spot. So we got the pullback we were expecting. Now it's going to continue to do what it's going to do. Now the trend followers are like, okay, well, I'm right because it's still continuing on this trend. And it absolutely could. So we're not looking for reversals, which is why, people say, well, can you put on runners or trailing stops or whatever? I'm not looking for a reversal. I'm looking for my sweet spot. That's where my edge is. Anybody have any questions about that trade? It was a very straightforward speed tick trade setup. Pretty much exactly as you would see in the quick start guide or in all of our YouTube trade of the day videos.